What's up, guys? So if you guys own an F80 and you're experiencing random puffs of smoke coming out of your exhaust under a constant acceleration, not all the time, but most likely at a lower RPM, you most likely have a PCV issue. Now, this car makes about 800 horsepower. It's been like that for about 15,000 kilometers or roughly 11,000 miles. Now, it doesn't have the dreaded whine that all the other guys have with their PCV to know that it is bad. The reason why we do know it is bad, we've checked the turbos, checked the compression, checked everything. Everything does check out with this car. Don't currently have an oil catch can installed, but when the car is running and you do put a little bit of pressure on the PVC system, it does make the whine as well, but in all other regards, it doesn't make any noises. But it does consume about 1 liter of oil every about 300 miles or so. So it does use quite a bit of oil. Now, your solution and the fix 99% of the time is you're gonna have to replace your whole valve cover. You can get a fix just for the PCV, but it doesn't actually work. So what we're going to be doing with my F80 is I'm going to be installing the BMS oil catch can as well as redoing the valve cover as well. And that should solve all the oil burning issues. I hope you guys have a good day. If you have any questions, just leave them into the comment section.